Good morning, my beautiful people. Jonathan Man is here, aka the One Leg Bandit, live. And look, I want to talk to you a little bit today about shopping for deals. All right. We've all been to the grocery store now here with inflation kicking in, you know, $12 for eggs, $5 for a loaf of bread, and nothing's changed in the crypto market. You still have to be smart and you have to look and shop for deals. Now, I've always told people I run towards the red. I've always made my money whenever the market sells off 15, 20% for no apparent reason. That's what's created my success and helped me build the bags that I've been able to build over the last year and a half, Not to mention, of course, we've had some outstanding runs with those bags. But you have to be shopping for these deals when things seem blah, when things seem boring, whenever things are not happening and you don't think there's much traffic. Get in here and actually do some research, look at the different projects and find some deals to go after and add to your bag. If something sold off 7%, 8%, that is a good amount of money. In the stock market, people wait months for a stock to move 8%. We get that move every 30 minutes, it seems like, so you have to understand the game that you're playing. And when you understand the game and the field that you're playing ball in, then you can play ball better. Okay. Let me go ahead and share a few things here. All right. So first and foremost, what we have is Shiba Inu payments expand further with thanks to this integration. Well, as reported by Binance Pay in its latest update, Shiba Inu, along with other cryptocurrencies added to the payment service, is now accepted in several more countries and various global venues. First, Ukraine's major pharmacy chain, ANC Pharmacy, has agreed to accept payments in SHIB and other cryptos via Binance Pay. In another part of the world, Bahrain, the local telecom operator STC, has also added support for digital asset payments. Besides, Token Store, a major marketplace, and the digital gift cards announced the integration of Binance Pay. So look, y'all, Shiba Inu has always been doing this. And if you go back through my channels, please hit the subscribe button and like and comment for all these things that I've been doing. I've been grinding so hard for y'all. And thank you so much for all the subs. But what Shiba Inu has always been doing is looking for partners to pay for things with Shiba Inu. Why? Because when Shibarium starts, all these different partners are going to come tie into the Shibarium network. It's going to be cheaper for them. It's going to be cheaper for, the processors, and it's going to be cheaper for us as the consumers to consume the goods. So that's what the whole Shibarium thing is all about. Also, the positive side of holding and utilizing SHIB is every time that you utilize it, you need gas and bone, and you are also burning off tokens. Every single transaction will burn tokens. So if you didn't know that, that's something to look for. And then what I would do is, I take the, initiative after you look at some news, you hop over here and look at the charts, and then you look around and you say, okay, well, we've got a blah day. Okay, SHIB's up a little bit. It's posturing for a major breakout, especially on the weekly and the daily chart. But SHIB's holding very nicely. But Bone dipped 2.6%. And my question is why? And I just think it's just technical reasons why, technical indicators, chart things, people taking a little bit of profit. I call them penny flippers. Whenever the penny flippers get down here and they start flipping, I would look here, if it breaks downward here, it's going to probably come back and hit this 136 range. Okay. If it does that right there on that blue line, then you might want to pick up in the 136 to 38 range. So whenever that happens, you want to go ahead. Sorry, y'all had a little bit of a call coming in, but whenever that happens, you can pick it up pretty much in that range. And then you have some success there. You probably have about a 5% add there, and then you should expect it in the chart way to move back up here to the 157, 158 range before even hitting any resistance. Okay, so I think it's actually going to break through on the next positive move anyway, but I think that would be a good target to look to add. Now look, again, not financial advice. I'm always looking for deals and looking for ways to make that little bit of a margin. These little margins add up. And I'm telling you, if you get diligent with what you're trying to do and your success, you will meet your goals and you will be very happy in the next bull run. But that's basically what I had to talk to y'all about this morning. I just wanted to talk to y'all about looking for deals, looking for opportunities. Don't be so emotional towards each project. Look at the overall total volume in cryptocurrency and what dollar amount is in crypto, and then make your plays that way. I found that it's helped me with success that way. not falling in love with every single token. Everybody knows I'm a SHIB diehard, but you have to look for opportunities like this for success. That's what we all want. We want the crypto market to grow. We want each other to grow, and we want success in this game. I hope you all have a beautiful day. It's going to be a beautiful day, beautiful weekend. I'm going to be coming to you with some live streams this weekend, and I just hope you all just make today great, okay? If you need me, reach out to me. You can find me everywhere. I'm the One Leg Bandit. Hope you have a great day.